Hey there, gentlemen. Welcome to Men's Power Hub, your ultimate destination for unlocking peak male performance. If you're in your 40s or beyond and looking to enhance your sexual health, strengthen your pelvic floor, and even boost your confidence in the bedroom, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful kegel and pelvic floor exercises that can help you develop stronger erections, improve blood flow, and even increase penis size naturally, all in just 30 days. So grab a mat, get comfortable, and let's transform your life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Men's Power Hub family for more life-changing tips. Exercise 1. Seated alternate. Let's start with the seated alternate. Sit tall on a chair, feet flat on the ground. Tighten your pelvic floor muscles. Imagine stopping the flow of urine. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Alternate between the left and right sides. This exercise strengthens your pelvic floor, improves bladder control, and enhances blood flow to the groin area. Do 10 to 15 reps per side. Exercise 2. Glute march. Next up, the glute march. Lie on your back, knees bent, and lift your hips into a bridge. March your legs one at a time, engaging your glutes and pelvic floor. This move not only strengthens your lower body but also boosts testosterone by activating large muscle groups. Aim for 10 to 12 reps per leg. Exercise 3. Bodyweight frog, hip thrust. Now let's move to the bodyweight frog hip thrust. Lie on your back, soles of your feet together, knees bent outward. Thrust your hips upward, squeezing your glutes and pelvic floor. This exercise is a game changer for improving hip mobility and enhancing sexual stamina. Do 12 to 15 reps. Exercise 4. Pelvic tilt into bridge. Time for the pelvic tilt into bridge. Lie on your back, knees bent, and tilt your pelvis upward. Push through your heels to lift into a bridge. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. This exercise strengthens your core, pelvic floor, and lower back, leading to better posture and stronger erections. Repeat for 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 5. Lying alternate. Butterfly. Let's try the lying alternate butterfly. Lie on your back, soles of your feet together, and lift your hips slightly. Alternate lifting each leg. This move targets your inner thighs, pelvic floor, and groin area, improving blood circulation and sexual health. Do 10 to 12 reps per leg. Exercise 6. Lying hip circle. Next, the lying hip circle. Lift your hips into a bridge and rotate them in a circular motion. This exercise enhances hip flexibility, strengthens your pelvic floor, and boosts blood flow to the pelvic region. Complete 5 circles in each direction for 2 to 3 sets. Exercise 7. Bent leg, side kick. Finally, the bent leg side kick. Lie on your side, legs bent at 90 degrees, and lift your top leg. This exercise targets your glutes, hips, and pelvic floor, improving stability and sexual performance. Do 10 to 12 reps per side. And there you have it, gentlemen. 7 powerful exercises to transform your pelvic health, boost your confidence, and enhance your sexual performance. Remember, consistency is key. Perform these exercises daily for 30 days, and you'll notice a significant difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Men's Power Hub for more tips on male health, fitness, and lifestyle. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay strong, stay powerful, and